Hello students, good morning. How are you all? I think you are very fine at your home, even also safe with your parents. So dear students, yesterday we have completed our chapter number 1, that is called Champa and the Stray Pup. We have completed all the pages of it, also learned a word bank and opposite words, and also completed our question answers in the notebook. So I hope you all have completed your work, and now today we are going to learn a poem that is called Miss Polly. Here we have a new poem, that is Miss Polly. So before starting the poem, there is one activity in the book, that is warm up activity. Look at the pictures of toys. Which is your favorite toy? Tick the correct one. So here we have 4 toys. The first one is doll. The second one is teddy bear. The third one is man. And the fourth one is car. So here we have 4 toys. जो भी आपका फेवरेट टॉय है उसके बॉक्स पे राइट टिक करेंगे. ओके, आपका इन चारों में से जो भी फेवरेट टॉय है आप उस पे राइट टिक करेंगे. सो आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस एक्टिविटी. नाउ यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि ये जो पोयम है वो किसके बारे में है? एक गर्ल के बारे में. दैट नेम इज पॉली. मिस पॉली. मिस पॉली किसका नाम है? एक गर्ल का. Okay, so Miss Polly is a girl. She has a doll. Miss Polly had a doll. Miss Polly had a doll who was sick. Who was sick. So she called for the doctor. She called for the doctor to come quick. To come quick. The doctor came. The doctor came with his bag and his hat. And he knocked the door with rat-a-tat-tat-tat. Rat-a-tat-tat-tat. Okay, so this is the poem of Miss Polly. You can see a girl over here. This is Miss Polly. Okay, ये इसका नाम क्या है? Miss Polly. और उसके पास एक ब्यूटीफुल सा टॉय था. यू नो, गर्ल्स जो है वो डॉल के साथ खेलना बहुत पसंद करते हैं. तो अपनी टॉय डॉल का नाम क्या है? उसकी डॉल का नाम क्या है? दैट हर नेम इज डॉली. ओके, सो क्या हुआ? वन डे व्हाट हैपेंड, जो मिस पॉली थी उसके पास एक डॉल थी, और वो डॉल जो थी वो सिक मीन्स बीमार हो गई. सो व्हाट शी हैड डन, शी कॉल्ड द डॉक्टर. और उसने डॉक्टर को कॉल किया टू कम क्विक कि आप जल्दी आ जाओ. और डॉक्टर आ गए. द डॉक्टर केम. और डॉक्टर ने क्या लाया अपने साथ? One bag and his hat. His bag and his hat. और उन्होंने नॉक किए डोर. टिट टैट टैट टैट. उस तरीके से नॉक करके वो उसके घर आ गए. सो दिस इज द पोयम ऑफ अ गर्ल एंड हर टॉय, दैट इज डॉली. ओके, ये पोयम में क्या है कि एक गर्ल है और उसकी डॉल है. सो यू हैव टू लर्न दिस पोयम एंड say with the action and make a video. So Miss Polly had a dolly. Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick. So she called to the doctor. She called for the doctor to come quick. To come quick. The doctor came with his bag and his hat. He knocked on the door with rat-a-tat-tat. So here, this is the poem. I hope you all have understood this poem. This poem is just for fun. Okay, so how she take care of his toys, you can see, है ना. जो पॉली थी उसको अपने डॉल का कितना ख्याल था कि वो अगर बीमार पड़ गई तो उसने डॉक्टर को बुलाया। इस तरीके से हमें हमारी हर चीज़ों को संभाल के रखना चाहिए। सो आफ्टर दिस पोयम we have here word meanings. So what you have to do, dear students, take out your notebook. You have to write these word banks in your notebook. First of all, give heading there, topic poem Miss Polly. Then we will write word meaning. Word meaning. So all of you take out your English notebook and give heading there, poem Miss Polly, then word meaning. Okay, I hope you all have written the heading in your notebook. Now the first one is word meaning, that is dolly. Dolly means a doll, a name of a doll. So second one is S-I-C-K, sick. Sick means unwell or ill. Unwell means बीमार पड़ना. The third one is quick. Quick मतलब at once, जल्दी. At once यानी एक ही बार में. Number fourth, knocked. Number fourth is knocked. Knock means tap. Tap करना. Okay. टैप टैप टैप, इस तरीके से टैप करने को बोला जाता है नॉट. एंड द नंबर 5 इज रैट टैट टैट. सो व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज, दैट मीन्स साउंड. ओके, साउंड मेड बाय SOUND, साउंड मेड बाय नॉकिंग द डोर. जब हम डोर को नॉक करते हैं तो वहां से जो साउंड निकलता है उसका साउंड होता है रैट अ टैट टैट. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, राइट इट इन योर नोटबुक. राइट ऑल दीज इन योर नोटबुक. And write opposites also, which has given here. The first one is SICK, sick. Sick का opposite होता है HEALTHY, healthy, और WELL, well. sick मतलब होता है बीमार होना और healthy मतलब होता है तंदुरुस्त होना. And the second one is quick, COQUCK, quick opposite SLOW, slow. quick मतलब होता है जल्दी और slow मतलब होता है धीरे धीरे. So here we have learned word meanings and opposite words of this poem. So write it down in your notebook. Write down in a good handwriting. Okay? Okay students, I hope you all have written your work in your notebook and also completed it. Okay students, so tomorrow we will continue our topic and meet again with this topic and do exercise on this poem Miss Polly. I hope you all have understood this poem. So this is a poem of fun and you know poem मतलब क्या होती है? Poem is our imagination. ओके जो हम सोचते हैं वैसी हम पोयम लिख सकते हैं. देयर इज नो मोटिवेशन, देयर आर मोटिवेशनल पोएम्स ऑल्सो एंड नॉट, इट इज नॉट कंपल्सरी कि हर एक पोयम में कुछ न कुछ बड़ी बात होनी चाहिए, बट इट इज अवर इमेजिनेशन. सो हियर मिस पॉली इमेजिन दैट her doll is sick and she calls to the doctor to take care of her. So this is word meanings and these are opposite words. So I hope you all have written in your notebook. So tomorrow we will meet again with a similar topic and do exercises. Okay students, so bye dear, take care, have a nice day.